So, I want to tell you just how much I love my Instasmile Snap-On veneers. For the past 10 years, I've been dealing with periodontal disease, breaking, cracking teeth, and just a smile I was not happy with. So unhappy with my smile that I quit modeling, and I've been a model since I was 12 years old. I'm 32 now, and due to neglect and a life of drinking nothing but soda, smoking cigarettes, and like I said, just all over neglect, this is what my teeth look like. Without the veneers, this is my smile. Not pretty, right? Well, one quick easy payment and I got these. And I can honestly say my confidence is back. My dentist suggested I try Snap-On veneers, and after some hunting and searching, many web reviews, I found Instasmile. And I'm going to show you. You saw how easy they were to take out. I'm going to show you how easy they are to put in. Quick snap and press, and you're good to go. I have my confidence back. I smile more. I am not afraid to leave my house anymore due to people looking at me funny. I've been told I have a gorgeous smile. I even just had somebody ask me what dental work I'd had done. These look so real. So, if you're having issues with confidence, cracked teeth, crooked teeth, missing teeth, any of the above, I recommend Instasmile to the fullest. I love them. They're comfortable. They're easy to put on. They're easy to take care of. And I have my confidence back. My husband's even noticed a major boost in my confidence. I'm more likely to get up and do my hair, put on makeup, all of that. So I want to thank you, Instasmile. Thank you so very much for giving me back the confidence that I had not had in years. And if you're thinking about trying them, go for it. You have nothing to lose.